Friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss IIT JAM previous questions from vector analysis. Alright, so let us start with a question. For a vector, for vectors A is given, B is given, and C also given. The vector product A cross B cross C is, that is, we have given four options, that is here, and so in order to analyze its nature, we have to calculate this first, right? So from this B cross C we can calculate first. What is B cross C? B cross C is equal to I cap, J cap, K cap, and coefficient of this B, that is 2, 3, minus 5, right? And coefficient of C, that is 0, 1, minus 1. So when I solve this, that is I cap into minus 3 plus 5 minus J cap into, that is 2 minus 0, right? Minus 2 minus 0, right? Plus K cap into 2 minus 0. So this is equal to 2 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 2 K cap, right? Now we need to find A cross B cross C, right? A cross B cross C, right? That is equal to, what is the coefficient of A? I cap, J cap, K cap, right? So let me write the coefficient of K, that is 0, 1, 1, and coefficient of B cross C, that is equal to 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now let me expand this. So I cap into 0 minus J cap into 0 minus 2, right? Plus K cap into 0 minus 2. So this is equal to 2 J cap minus 2 K cap. So let me take this 2 out, that is J cap minus K cap. This J cap minus K cap is our C, right? So this is equal to 2C. So it is in the direction of C, right? So this, when you calculate, you are getting 2C means it is lies in the direction of C, right? This quantity. So option A is correct. Alright. Alright. Now let us go to another problem. A unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing A is equal to I plus J minus 2K and B is equal to 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap, right? So we can randomly check this. Any one of the option, its dot product will be 0 with this A and B, right? So which vector showing A dot n cap is equal to 0, B dot n cap is equal to 0. Okay, from the observation it is clear that option D is the answer, because this I cap into minus I cap, that is dot product when you take, that is minus 1, and J cap here 1 into minus 5, that is minus 5, here minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 3, that is plus 6. So here dot product is 0. Now if you look into B, here 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, here minus 1 into minus 1, minus 5, that is plus 5, right? And again here 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3, this is also 0. So this option D, that makes dot product 0 with A and B. That means this A and B, that is a unit vector. So this option D showing a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B, right? So D is the option. Alright. Now let us go to another question. The equation of a surface revolution is Z is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 2 y square. The unit vector normal to the surface at the point A of root 2 by 3, 0, 1 is, right? So we need to find the unit normal vector, right? So in order to find a unit normal vector, we have already studied the theory, that is del phi divided by mod del phi, right? But this is the surface equation. So I can square this in order to remove this square root. That is z square is equal to 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 2 y square. That means 3x square plus 3y square minus 2z square is equal to 0. So this is our phi. Phi is equal to 3x square plus 3y square minus 2z square, right? Now let us calculate this unity vector, right? So at x is equal to, so we need to find unity vector normal to the surface at the point. So let me calculate this del phi, right? That is I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z of this function phi. So that is equal to, so let me substitute this phi here. That is 3x square plus 3y square minus 2z square, right? So that is 6x I cap. When you do this is plus 6y j cap, and when I do this, that is minus 4z, right, k cap. So this will be the vector. Now this is the vector, right? So by its modulus, this is del phi, and n cap is its mod del phi we have to divide, right? So let me, before doing this, we can substitute this value, right? So the value is given xyz value, that is root 2 by 3. So let me substitute this del phi at root 2 by 3 0 1. All right, so let us find that, that is 6 into root 2 by 3. All right, I cap plus, this is 0, y is 0, so the term that doesn't exist, and minus 4 into, what is z, right? Z value is 1, that is minus 4 k cap. All right, all right. Now we have to divide it with this magnitude to find out n cap. So n cap is equal to del phi divided by mod del phi. So that is equal to, so this is equal to 6 root 2 by 3 I cap minus 4 k cap divided by square root of, that is 36 into 2 by 3 plus 16, right? Right. So this 36 and 3, this will be cancel out, that is 12. 12 into 24, 24 plus 16, 24 plus 16, that is 0 and 4, right? So root 40. So 6 root 2 by 3, 6 root 2 by 3 I cap minus 4 k cap divided by root 40. All right, so this we can simplify into by taking this 4 out. All right, so you may simplify this. Okay, okay, now we can simplify this, right? So this I can split into this, I can take this 6 into root. So let me write this as 6 into 6, and 6 is inside the root, it is 6 into 6 into 2 by 3 divided by 40 minus, so this will be, when I am taking into I cap, and 4 into 4 divided by 40, right? So this 4 cancel, so 4 by 10, that is 2 by 5, right? And here we can simplify this, here it is 20, right? And this with the 2, and here this 3 and 6 cancel, that is 2. So what is remaining, again cancel, so this is root 3 by 5, right? Root 3 by 5 I cap minus, and this will be equal to root 2 by 10. All right, all right, root 2 by 10. All right, root 2 by 10 k cap, or we can see, we can write this 4 root, we need not cancel this, so we can 4 root we can take as this, and root 10. Okay, so this cancellation we can only we can calculate 4, then root 4 is 2, and this root 10 I am keeping here, that is k cap, right? So this will be the answer. So option is B. All right, so B is the option. Now another question is, a curve is given by r of t is equal to ti cap plus t square j cap plus t cube k cap. The unit vector of the tangent to the curve at t is equal to 1 is, right? So what is tangent to the curve? That is slope of tangent, we already know, that is dr by dt, right? So a unit vector in this direction is dr by dt divided by mod dr by dt, right? So at this point we can calculate the same. So what is dr by dt? That is I cap plus 2t j cap plus and 3t square k cap, right? And square root of dr by dt the whole square, that is 1 square plus 4t square plus, so that is 9t raised to 4. All right, at t is equal to 1, what I can say, that is I cap plus 2t 2j cap plus t is equal to 1, it is 3k cap, right? Divided by, at t is equal to 1, this will be equal to 1 plus 4 plus 9, right? So 9 plus 5, that is root 14. So this will be the answer. So option D is the correct answer. All right, all right. Another question is JAM 2020 question, right? The line integral of a vector function u of xy, that is equal to 2y I cap plus xj cap along a straight line from 0 0 to 2 4. All right, so it is given line integral of a vector u of xy, so we need to find that is equal to integral u of xy dr, right? This is the line integral, right? So that is equal to, here this u of xy is given, right? So let me write this as that is 2y I cap plus xj cap dot dr is dx I cap plus dy j cap, right? So this is equal to, let me write this as 2y dx plus x dy, right? So it is in mixed variable, right? So we have to find out an expression for y. So this is the straight line points. So using this we can find out equation of straight line is x minus x1, that is 0, divided by x2 minus x1. All right, that is 2 minus 0, right? X minus x1 is that is 0, that is 2 minus 0, right? Equal to y minus y1, that is y minus y1 is 0 again, divided by y2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 0. So from this I can write this, right? Y is equal to 2x, right? All right, y is equal to 2x. So I can substitute this value here. If y is equal to 2x, what is dy? 2dx, right? So y is equal to, I am substituting as 2x. So 2 into y is equal to 2x. 2x into dx plus x into, what is dy? Dy is 2dx. All right. Now I have converted this all into x variable, and x limit is varying from 0 to 2. So let me write this as 0 to 2. All right. So 2 into 2, that is 4. That is 4x dx plus, and this is equal to 2 dx, that is 2x dx, right? 0 to 2. So this will be equal to integral 0 to 2 6x dx, right? 6x dx. Alright, now that is 6 into x square by 2 limit 0 to 2. So the answer is 6 into 2 square, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. The answer is 12. Okay, so this is a fill in the blank question. You have to type 12 right here. Alright, now let us go to another question. The question is the line integral a to b f dot dl, where f is given x by root x square plus y square x cap plus y by root x square plus y square along the semicircular path as shown in the figure below. So we have given with a circular path like this. Alright, so again we do this. So if I consider this equation, in this case is a semicircular, we have considered, right? So what I can say, this is x square plus y square is equal to 1, right? So from it I am able to write x square plus y square is equal to 1, because it is a circle of semicircle of radius 1. Alright, so if I expand this, what I can say, that is 2x dx plus 2y dy equal to 0. That means x dx equal to minus y dy. So this is the information which I have from this diagram. Alright, now if I calculate this integral a to b f dot dl, alright, so minus 1 to 1 f dot dl. So integral a to b, what is f dot dl? That is f is given, right? So let me write this f dot dr first. F dot dl, f dot dl is equal to, so that what is f, x by root x square plus y square x cap plus y by root x square plus y square y cap dot, what is dl in two dimensional? We have this dl is dx I cap plus dy j cap. So when I find this, that will be equal to this is x cap, right? X cap y cap, right? All right, x cap dot x cap, that is 1. So x dx plus y dy divided by root x square plus y square. All right, so this will be the f dot dl, but we have already know x dx is equal to minus y dy. So if I substitute x dx is equal to minus y dy, then this and this cancel, so f dot dl becomes 0. So integral a to b f dot dl is equal to 0, right? F dot dl doesn't exist here, right? So answer is 0. Option B is correct. All right, now we have another question. This is 2011 question, and we have a 2012 question here. F is a constant vector and R is the position vector, then the gradient of f dot r. How can we represent a constant vector? See, suppose f is equal to some f0 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap, right? All right, so if I find the gradient of, what is gradient? I cap dou by dou x, this is a constant vector, right? I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z. F dot r, right? So we f dot r, what is f? That is f0, right? f0 I cap, f0 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot r. All right, what is r? R is equal to xi cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. All right, now this is equal to I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z. All right, and this is equal to this dot product we can calculate, that is f0 into x plus y plus z, right? Now if I multiply this into here, the differential of x is 1. So what I have, this f0 I cap plus Here f0 with respect to y, I am dou by dou y of y, that is equal to 1. So f0 j cap plus z on differentiation, that is f0 k cap, that is equal to f0 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So we started with a constant vector f is equal to f0 I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and we end with the same vector. So div of f dot r is equal to f itself. Alright. So the answer is f. We got the same vector. Alright. Alright. Now let us go to another question here. If the surface integral of a field a of xyz, that is equal to 2 alpha x I cap plus beta y j cap minus 3 gamma z k cap over a closed surface of an arbitrary unit sphere is to be 0, then the relation between alpha, beta and gamma is. This is an IIT JAM 2014 question, right? Alright. So here the surface integral that is given as 0, right? So that means let me write surface integral a dot dA, that is equal to 0, right? So surface integral that we can convert into volume integral, that is volume integral div A, right, using divergence theorem, dot d tau is equal to 0, right? Alright, so this and this equal by divergence theorem, right? So let me write this as volume integral. What is div A? Div A, that is equal to divergence of this, that is I cap dou by dou x. So let me calculate div A here. That is equal to I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z dot this function, that is 2 alpha x I cap plus beta y j cap plus 3 gamma z k cap. Alright. So when I substitute this dou by dou x of 2 alpha x, that is 2 alpha, alright. So 2 alpha plus here it is a beta plus 3 gamma, alright. So this is equal to this into 2 alpha plus beta plus 3 gamma into d tau is equal to 0 means this volume element is not going to be 0. So this part will be 0, right? So 2 alpha plus beta plus 3 gamma, that is equal to 0, right? Alright. So it is all the function given is positive, right? So let me check. Yes, it is negative here, right? So 2 alpha x, so here it is negative. So this will be negative, alright? That's the only problem. Alright, so this will be minus. So let me divide with a 6, then this become alpha by 3, this become beta by 6, and this become gamma by 2. That is equal to 0 to make the answer in the desired format. So option is B, right? So this will be the equation. So that is given as option B. So B is the answer, alright? Now let us go to another question. The line integral, that is integral A dot dl of a vector field A of xy 1 by r square minus yi cap plus xj cap. So this A vector is given and r square also given, that is x square plus y square, taken around a square. So this closed path I am considering of side of unit length, right? A square of side unit length, alright, and centered at x0 y0, alright, with x0 is greater than 1 by 2 and y0 is also greater than 1 by 2, alright. If the value of the line integral is L, then so suppose you calculate integral A dot dl using this function. Okay, the remaining thing all is given. So what about this line integral? So what we can say the property of this line integral? Okay, so here we need to calculate this line integral a dot dl, right? A is given, and this we can write as a is equal to minus yi cap plus xj cap divided by this r square is given, that is x square plus y square, right? So to calculate this line integral, instead I can calculate this line integral, we can convert into surface integral, that is surface integral del cross A dot dA by Stokes theorem, right? So instead of calculating this, we can calculate this, right? So let us calculate del cross A first. Del cross A is equal to, what is del cross A? I cap, j cap, k cap, right? And here um, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and I component is minus y by x square plus y square, and j component is x by x square plus y square, and then this z component is 0, right? So we have no z component here. So this we can calculate as I cap into 0 minus dou by dou z of this is 0 minus j cap into this is 0 minus dou by dou z of this also 0 plus k cap into, let me write this as dou by dou x of this 1 by x square plus y square, right? Minus minus of this again, right? Dou by dou y of minus y by, so that also again 1 by x square plus y square, all right? All right, so what is its value? Dou by dou y, so this will be 0, right? Entire value is 0, all right? So del cross A is equal to 0, that means, so this is minus j cap into k cap into, that is 1, so this will be plus, right? So it won't be 0, all right? All right, yeah, here minus y by x square plus y square, and here x by x square plus y square, so I cap into 0 minus 0 minus j cap into 0, and this is 0, yeah, here this k cap into, first of all we need to take this, right? So 1 by x square plus y square, and when I am doing this, that is equal to plus x square plus y square, all right? So here this value is, oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. So here with respect to x, right? So me, so here this is dou by dou x of x by x square plus y square, right? So this we have to apply quotient rule, right? So when I do this and this also we have to apply quotient rule, all right? So let me calculate this separately. So here let me write this as dou by dou x of x by x square plus y square, all right? Plus this is minus, so minus minus plus dou by dou x of, all right, dou by dou y of y divided by x square plus y square, all right? All right, so this we need to calculate. Okay, so this part is 0 and this part also 0, so let me calculate this. So this equal to, dou by dou x of x by, so this will be equal to x square plus y square whole square, and this is denominator into derivative of denominator, that is 1 minus, and numerator into derivative of denominator, right? Similarly here we can write this as denominator whole square into, all right, and this is equal to denominator into derivative of denominator, that is numerator, that is 1 minus numerator into y into 2y, all right. So this I can write as here x square plus y square whole square, right? Here x square plus y square whole square, that is 2 into x square plus y square. Here minus 2x square minus 2y square. So minus 2 into x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. So this part will be 0, right? So that means del cross A is equal to 0. We got del cross A is equal to 0. That is integral A dot dl is equal to surface integral del cross A dot ds. So del cross A is equal to 0 means this will be 0. That means integral A dot dl is equal to 0. So its value is 0 and it is independent of this center x0 y0. So this L is independent of x0 y0 and its value is 0. So option C is correct. Alright. Alright. Now let us go to another question. Consider a vector field F is equal to y I cap plus xz cube j cap minus zy k cap. Let C be a circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 on the plane z is equal to, oriented counterclockwise. The value of the contour integral, curved integral f dot dr, right? So this is the question. So we need to calculate curved integral f dot dr, right? Curved integral f dot dr. So again I can apply this I can convert into surface integral del cross f dot dA, right? Del cross f dot dA using Stokes theorem. Alright. Now what is del cross f? Del cross f we can easily find from here. What is del cross f? Del cross f is equal to, that is equal to, so we may write as del cross f is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the components of f are y, x z cube minus zy. Alright. So when I do this, that is equal to minus z minus, so with respect to z, this is 3xz square, alright, minus j cap into, with respect to x this is 0, with respect to y this is also 0, plus k cap into dou by dou x of xz cube, that is z cube, this is 1. Alright. Alright. So this is my del cross f. Alright. Alright. Now once I know this del cross f, so del cross f we already know, and it is given that here z is equal to 2. The plane contains this plane z is equal to 2, oriented in the counterclockwise. The value of the contour integral, right? Now in the question it is given that z is equal to 2, right? This circle is located at z is equal to 2, right? So let me draw the figure. Before that I can substitute this I cap, this so let me this minus z, that is minus 2, here z is equal to 2, that is 4 into 3, that is 12 minus 12 x, right? Right, minus 12x. So it is I cap into minus z minus, right? So we may take this minus out also. So it is minus 12x, all right, and the remaining term is plus here z cube, 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 1, that is plus 7 k cap. All right. Now this is the result I have. Now this is equal to del cross f. All right. Now let me draw the situation. So this is my del cross f. So I need to find a del cross surface integral, right? So let me look into the figure. See, So suppose this is my axis, this is my z axis, right? So here you have a circle at z is equal to 2, right? So suppose this is my z axis, all right? This is suppose x and this is y, and at z is equal to 2, right? We are considering a small area, right? Suppose you are considering a small area on this circle, okay? So on this circle, so this length is, so if it is the center, this length is dr, and what about this? This is this is my, so I can erase this. So look into this width, right? This is angle phi, right? So this is this radius, right? This is radius. So this part will be r d phi, all right? So what is the area of this small elemental length? Elemental area, that is r dr d phi for a circle, all right? So this area is directed, it is directed in the, this area is all directed in the z cap direction, all right? All right, so z cap is the direction, okay? Now we can calculate, this is equal to, let me write this integral as surface integral. So here we have minus 2 minus 12x, right, I cap plus 7 k cap, right? Or this is z cap, instead z cap we can write as k cap, all right? So this is k cap direction. Dot, what is dA? R dr d phi k cap, all right? Now so let me erase this all. Now if I take the dot product with this term and this term, that is 7 into surface integral 7 into, right, 7 we can take out, that is r dr d phi, r dr d phi, all right? Now this limit is, what is the limit? So we already know this r is varying from 0 to 2, right? This so in the question it is given that this x square plus y square is equal to 4. So what is the radius? Radius is equal to 2, all right? So we can say this variable limit, so 0 to 2, and what is the limit of phi? That is 0 to 2 pi, 7 is out, r dr d phi, all right? So 7 into r square by 2, 0 to 2, 2 pi, right? So d phi on integration phi, 0 to 2 pi, all right? So 7 into, this will be 4 by 2, that is 2 into 2 pi, right? 4 into 7, that is 28 pi, all right? So this will be the answer. So the question is, yes, we have this 28 pi, A is the option, all right? And this all about this section, and there are 10 more question, 11 more question that is already asked in the previous JAM exam, that is remaining, that we will discuss in the next class, okay? Thank you.